Good morning, students. Hope well and safe at home. Now, yes, it is the time for us to discuss about the book back exercise. Come, let us discuss the book back exercise. I have already given some questions from inside the lesson. Did you find out the answer for those questions? Yes, you guys are too smart. You will do it. Before going into the book exercise, before that another one heading is given. What is that? That is elsewhere. Elsewhere we cannot ignore, children, since questions from elsewhere also can be asked in the exam. What is given in the elsewhere? Let us see. It's about one dynasty which was in China. The dynasty name was Tang Dynasty. This dynasty ruled the empire in China for 300 years. How is it possible? Yes, this Tang dynasty ruled China, that is in China, that is one empire. Okay, that is empire. It was ruled by this Tang dynasty for 300 years. Okay, the capital of this Tang dynasty was Xi'an. Okay, and one of the largest cities in the world, and visited by Turks, Iranians, Indians, Japanese, and Koreans. Okay, and how the Tang dynasty ruled its empire for 300 years. What is the secret behind that? Because of the administration method they followed. What is that method? No? Selecting the government officials for administration work by conducting exams. All the citizens are eligible to write the exam. Okay, and the administered by the bureaucracy recruited through an examination. What do you mean by this bureaucracy? Bureaucracy is a group of government officials in several departments. Altogether, that the government officials are called as that bureaucracy. Okay, and recruited through an examination. Here, recruited means they are appointed. Okay, through an examination. And all the citizens are eligible to write this exam. If they pass in the exam, then they would be deputed as government officials. Okay, really this is a wonderful method, no children? Because of this only Tang dynasty could withstand for 300 years. This method of conducting exam and selecting leaders is possible in our country. Think about that, children. Next, we are going to discuss the book back exercise. Let's recall. Okay, the first question is match the following. For Gurjara Pratihara, Gujarat and Rajasthan, Rashtrakatas, Western Deccan, Palas, Bengal, Cholas, Tamil Nadu. Put 1, 2, 3, 4 in the questions and also in the answers accordingly. The second question is, who were the parties involved in the Triparty struggle? The answer is Gurjara Pratihara, Palas, Rashtrakatas were involved in the Triparty struggle. These three dynasties were doing war among them to capture the place Kannauj, and this war was taking place for 100 years. Hence, these historians called this war as Triparty struggle. The next question is, third question, what were the qualifications necessary to become a member of a committee of the Sabha in the Chola Empire? The answer for this question is given in page number 27 under the heading inscription and text, who could be a member of a Sabha. Uttaramerur inscription lays down. Under this, what is given is very clear, as it is what is given there that you can learn for this question. Under this, another one paragraph is also given about the inscriptions about the Periya Puranam, which says the life of ordinary man in 12th century. You read and see that paragraph and try to understand. That's enough. The fourth question is, What were the two major cities under the control of the Chahamnas? So the answer is the two cities under the control of Chahamnas were Delhi and Ajmer. Around this region, Delhi and Ajmer only, what all the regions are there? No, the Chahamnas ruled those regions. The fifth question is, how did the Rashtrakatas become powerful? Here, under this question, I have given the hints only. Okay, you have to refer the book and try to add some more points with this answer. Don't write the as such the hints. You have to write elaborate answers. The answer for this question is given in page number 17. The sixth question is, what did the new dynasties do to gain acceptance? What is the meaning of this question? In order to prove themselves that they are very powerful, what the new kings did. Okay, this is the meaning of this question. The answer for this question you can write about the Triparthi struggle. Okay, for capturing Kannauj, how these three dynasties were struggled to prove their power. No, about that you can write. And the next point is about temples. Why the new kings constructed the temples to demonstrate their power only. No, so that you can write. If you write all these things, then that is the answer for this question. The answer for this question given in page number 21. Please refer the book. The seventh question is, what kind of irrigation works were developed in the Tamil region? The answer for this question is under the Cholas heading, agriculture and irrigation. That side heading is given there. No, under that 3 paragraphs are given. These 3 paragraphs are you can use for writing the answer. The entire thing is suitable for this answer. In page number 25 and 24, you can read and you can write these answers in points. The 8th question is, what were the activities associated with Chola's temple? The answer for this question is given again in the Chola's heading only. The side heading, splendid temples and bronze sculpture. Under that, what is given? That is the answer for this question. You can refer the book and write always in points. So with this, book exercise is over, children. Here it is given the habits which make the kids happy. If you follow these habits, then definitely you will also be a happy kids. Okay, what are those habits? Let us see one by one now. The first one is, seek to understand first, then to be understood. You have to try well to understand anything. Don't think you can't. Where there is will, there is a way. So try to understand, then you can definitely succeed in that. The next one is, first work, then play. You have to give first preference to work. After finishing the work, without any stress, you can play. The next one is, be positive always. Fill your mind with always positive things. That will help you to finish your hardest task easily. The next one is, positive attitude will enable you to march towards success. Finish what you have started. Don't give up anything before you finish. That will increase your confidence level. The next one is, be proactive. What is the meaning of this? No. Creating or controlling the situation rather than just responding to it after it has happened. You know the proverb, prevention is better than cure. That is what it is. You should know to keep yourself away from problem. You should know to justify which is good and which is bad. You should behave accordingly. Okay. So the next one is, you have to take time to refresh. This is also important aspect. Take adequate rest that recharge your body cells and make you to work with more power. Today's homework is given from book back exercise questions, children. Classwork 5 and 6 questions and homework 7 and 8 questions, children. Write neatly. Bye and take care, children.